Hey, what's up, everyone? This is a replay of the play I just did against the Carolina Panthers in San Diego. It was 4th down 10 or whatever, and it was the last play of the game. I was down by 4. So I went doing good blocking. I'm thinking, oh gosh, okay, there's the helmet. This is not an ultimate team. I'm like, I got Jerry Rice. Okay, well, maybe he can make a catch. And he's looking for the football, as you can see. Did not see it yet. Did not see it yet. Where's the football? There it is. Oh, he's got it. Oh, he's got it. Best play ever. Jerry Rice is going to catch that. Oh my gosh. To win the game. But then, he drops it. And he makes the catch. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Holy shoot. Let's go to Jerry Rice's view. This is just crazy. I mean, he caught it too. Okay, slow it down. In his hands! In his hands! 100%! And somehow, and then this guy's like, oh shoot. No way. Touchdown. Now I gotta go for the 2-point conversion or whatever. Oh shoot, now I gotta get the 2-point conversion to win the game. It's tied game. Down by 1. I'm close to 2. I already won. I'm just kidding. It's 26-7, but isn't that an amazing play?